So now I'll show you how to install GP. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So first we need to go plugin, add a new, okay, upload plugin, choose file, and I have already GP themes. So if you don't know how to purchase, you can go to GP site and you can purchase there. So I have already GP file, so I go to my themes. This is the GP premium. So choose the file, and after choosing, I'm going to install it. It will take some time, okay, don't worry, wait just a minute. Now need to active plugin. Yeah, you can see GP premium installed. So one thing, I go to view site. Okay, that is okay. Dashboard. GENERATEPRESS by active theme. Once again go to plugin and check GP. Okay, it's installed. Now guys, this is the GP premium, which is I install the plugin. Now go to appearance, then go to themes, and here you can see GP premium vehicle generated to be activated. So need to activate, install now, and here is this in GP. Okay, now installed. Process is installing, so just a minute, wait. After installing I will show you. Now came to activate. Okay, active. This is GENERATEPRESS GP. Okay, this is the GP. So here is the details. So things okay. So now go to GENERATEPRESS key. Yeah, this is the dashboard. Here need to be paste activate key. Okay, so I have already activate key. So for that time, which option need to be activate here? So this option only is you. There is the module, background, block, copyright, everything is to be activate here, because everything need to me. So go first active. Okay, and site library option, this is okay as usual. Okay, everything is fine. Now themes there. Okay, everything is done. Okay. So now installed. You can see here GENERATEPRESS key is installed already, and I have already. So there is a need to be license key. I will give you later. Now for that time I just checking you everything is installed here already. I saying now go to site library. Okay, yeah, Here you can see everything, all those things are GP themes. Okay, you can select anyone, you can select anyone and start work. If I select that, this is our save. So you can go here or get reset, everything is option here, but not edit. Okay, just install everything. Okay, so view site, contact us, so many options is there. You can see how to look like the page, home, service, about, everything.